Hello everyone. We are here to present for the honors IA2. The name of the research paper for today's presentation is Big Data Analysis, Issues and Challenges and the Technologies. So here are the details of the research paper. Next slide. So, introduction. The evolution of technology is taking place at a fast pace, and knowingly or unknowingly, everyone is generating data in some or other way. Different areas are producing data at an unprecedented rate, such as healthcare data, social media data, sensor data, phone log data, server log data, etc. etc. The formation of this massive amount of data through divergent sources leads to high volume and high velocity and a high variety of data that lead to the coming of term big data. So, although many other different characteristics like variability, volatility, and validity of big data have also been highlighted by the researchers in this paper, we have only focused on the five most prominent characteristics. These characteristics bring many different types of challenges in handling, processing, and analyzing big data. Therefore, one machine cannot store and process this data that are required for further analysis and used for decision making, and thus this problem can be overcome employing using large clusters and distributing the data over these large clusters. For example, the Google's data center, which has thousands of machines. Big data analysis is a procedure of analyzing the massive data set into uncover the unidentified relationships and associations, market trends, and valuable information. Slide. So, big data analytics. The evolution of big data has resulted in the analysis of not only a high volume of data, but myriad types of data, which is usually streaming in nature. The uncertainty brings new challenges to the data. It is the situation which return the customers in business. When the data has unknown and imperfect data that are present in all phases of big data analytics process. Big data analytics may adversely impact the result of the data in terms of effectiveness and accuracy in output data. The technique used for analyzing the data are as follows. Next. Next. First one is text analytics. The text mining process is used to extract eloquent facts or figures from unstructured data like the blogs, corporate documents, and online forums. Audio analytics. The next one is audio analytics. It is the process of to dig out the audio data from the unstructured data. The widely used application of audio data are smart speakers, applications in healthcare sector for patient monitoring, customer care center, etc. The next one is social media analytics. It consists of data from various online platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, blogs, etc. In this analysis of data present in various forms, social graphs and activity graphs are two types of graphs that form the structure of social network. Next one is predictive analytics. It makes use of historical data and current data for predicting future outcomes. Predictive analytics can be employed to all sectors such as market, basket, customer behavior, churn of employees from the company, etc. The predicting techniques are SVM, neutral works, decision tree, and linear regression.
So now issues and challenges. Challenges in the big data can be broadly alienated into three types. The first type is data challenges, the second type is data process challenges, and the third type are data management. Data challenges are the challenges that are associated with the characteristics of big data. So now data challenges. Researchers have given many definitions of data, and based on the understandings toward they come up with several new characteristics of big data. So the 10 V's of big data are taken under consideration. There are many worth mentioning prominent challenges associated with the characteristics of data. Some of the prominent challenges are discussed as follows. So volume challenges. The unprecedented increase in data, though internal and external sources, has resulted in a massive amount of data. So moving further, Now, variety challenges. The challenge associated with variety is related to its different forms. The massive data can be present in form of structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. Research studies show that 95% of the data is present in unstructured form. Therefore, converting it into a form that the analysis can be performed is a big challenge. So now moving further, velocity challenges. Velocity indicates the speed of the data generated through the devices. Data can be processed in two ways: batch processing and real-time processing. In batch processing, the data is stored and then processed, whereas real-time processing is continuous. In online shopping, real-time processing is required to generate value for customers. Now, veracity changes. Data veracity indicates the quality and accuracy of data. It deals with the fabrications, imprecision, messiness, and misplaced evidence in data. It defines the trustworthiness of data when a significant decision needs to be taken. In social networking sites, user opinion can be classified as positive, negative, or neutral. Now, challenges. So, value is one of the most significant feature of big data characteristics. Big data value information that needs to be extracted from large data sets. This brings a big challenge to data as extracting the high information from data is a cost effective manner and making use of it for business intelligence, health sectors, etc. So now process challenges. So process challenges are related to the processing and analyzing large data sets. So data acquisition and storage. So these are the types of process challenges. So data acquisition is the process of acquiring and storing the data for the future utilizing some various information. The data is acquired from various sources such as from sensors, social networking sites, blogs, etc. And hence the data is present in different form: structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. Bring a significant challenge to data. This bring a significant challenge. So data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is the process to collect that quality from the data from large data sets as the low quality data leads to low quality knowledge. Therefore, data pre-processing plays a significant role in knowledge discovery. Data analysis and modeling. Data analysis is a process that discovers the hidden information from the data and helps the organizations to make a better decision. The efficiency extract the knowledge from the data sets. Extraordinary techniques are required to generate the hidden pattern from large data sets. Now, data visualization. A big data visualization technique presents the analytical data in visual form. It makes usage of various types of graphs for representing the valuable information for decision making. Now, management challenges. Management challenges are related to those challenges encountered by organization which is related to the privacy, security, and governance of data. So here in the diagram, which you can see the challenges associated with the data process and management process. So big data processing technique. So the data processing techniques can be divided into two types based on batch processing and stream processing. So this figure just shows that. So the division. So now in this diagram, you can also see the batch processing versus the real-time processing. So the applications of the big data, there are a lot of applications of the big data. With big data can be applied to healthcare, educational data, mining and learning analytics, process safety and risk management, smart architecture. So these are the uh, applications of big data. So to conclude, the data is generating at an exponential rate and the universe will grow by 50-fold by the current year 2020. So the big data are generated through internal and external sources of data. The existing system fail to handle the unprecedented data. Therefore, high performance, high scalable systems with advanced techniques are required to process the valuable information. So yeah, that's all from our side. Thank you.